Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial is this. On my screen I'm trying these two styles out using my net material. So this video is on a request. Somebody has I use net to tie um styles, so I'm trying these two styles on my screen, guys. So the first thing I do, I cut out a card to add to this material because it's a very soft material, so it will give me that a bit thicker texture. So I added that and I dip it, turn it the way it is seen in this video, as if I want to make Zara cap before I place it on my head. So when I place it on my head like this, I'm going to and take notes. One part is shorter and the other is longer, so I'm taking the shorter part to knot at the back twice, then I keep the excess at the back before I start working with the longer part at the front. Another thing we should take note that if you can get the color of the material, I mean the net, is very fine. It's gonna rhyme with the color. But if you cannot get, you can actually use white color or any other color. Just make sure that, because in this video I didn't really cover up my card, so I noticed after the video. So you can, to avoid that, use it for the color, look for the color of the material. So you can see after knotting it at the back, I just come to the front with the longer part. You see how it is being demonstrated in the video. Take it um over the card, then I make pleat with it, so it gives me like round gele. Okay, so I was able to achieve round gele with this net material, and it is super beautiful. Yes, I can say that, guys. So look at it, it's very simple and good. And this net is, I like the net actually, very fine and light. So that's the back. You can see the card shows a bit because I couldn't see the back, but later I adjusted it after the video. So to avoid that, use the color of the material, or you should take care and make sure that the card is being covered up. So second style, you can see I just on half, when I reach halfway, I just folded little parts, use the elastic band, and you see what I do there, dip the excess at the back, and I directed the other part to the other side, raise it up. I don't know, the explanation might not be good or thorough enough, but what you can do to get this is just focus your eyes and watch the way I have achieved this. So when we have the folded part, what we're going to do is just to stretch out, which I'm doing here. So I stretch it out, and look at the beauty it already have, guys. What do you feel about these two styles, guys? Drop a comment. And if you have watched this length, I know you love it, that's why you stay on this space to this period. So don't forget to like, share, and share. Let it reach more people. Leave your comment below. I want to get feedback from you. Like and follow, join this community for simple and beautiful head wrap DIY tutorials, guys. So that's the back and here is the front. This is the final look. I will be leaving now.